Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, you saw right, we're catching up. We have I have three Boxycharm boxes to unbox. I have July, August and September, and October is already on its way. And we're heading for November, so I am trying to catch up on all of them, and without delay, okay, so let's start with the July box. So the Boxycharm subscription is $25 US per month, and you get five to six full-size products for $25 US. The value usually changes between 200, I think. Let me just quickly double check. 125 and up. So I think it's well worth it. This one for July is all natural. Ta-da. Can we see that? There we go. Let's see what we got. Ta-da. So we got Hermes Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. We got Cleansing Spa Water. Cleansing Spa Water contains... What is this? Oh, sorry. The veggie mask retails at $35 US. So let's quickly check this. Oh, it's a cleansing spa water cloth remove waterproof makeup. Yeah, is this? I was about to be culturally incorrect. I guess it removes waterproof makeup. Yeah, it's written in Greek, sorry. Ooh, we got a $10 off at Ulta Skin Bar. When does this expire? It doesn't expire. Oh, 3 August. Sorry. Then we got... Ooh, more ooh. We got Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Oh, I don't want to blind you, but look at those colors. Let me just do that. Is that not just gorgeous? Ooh, I can certainly use this. Look at that pigmentation. Seriously can use this. Awesome. So this palette retails at $32 US. Then we got Unleash Your True Beauty by Kind of Earth. Please keep your... So this is... Ooh, these are brushes from Luxie. So it's a Luxie Guy 3-piece brush. So we got 3 for $30 US. Oh, they are so soft. Absolutely love them. With the packaging, I just mucked the packaging all over the show. Oh, this work. Yeah, I just like it. Okay, and then we got Luna by Luna lip gloss. So let's see. It's called Mars, and this retails 30 why is everything 30? Oh, there it is, 18 US. Ooh, this is nice. It's a very neutral color. I will wear this. Okay, so let's recap. We got the 3 brushes. We got the waterproof makeup remover wipes. How much is there in one? It doesn't say. Does it say here? No. 10. It's 10. 10? And it retails for 17. Okay, and then we got Luna by Luna. And we got a palette. And we got a mask. Yeah. So we got... Ooh, why don't you just move up? Let's do that. So we got all 5 of these for me and my math, for 25 US a month. I think it's well worth it if you ask me. Come on, just fit in. Nothing wants to go back in the box. There we go. So today we got all of this for 25 US. I love it. So let's move on to the August box. Ooh. Totally Boxycharm. Is this not just the So this is for August, and we got box version 9. Boxycharm makes different versions every month. I forgot to mention it. So you might get one box and your friend might get another. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, oops. Let's just place you back. This is quite nice. So we get 5 products. Let's go through this. We got the one that wanted to fly away, a glow ahead illuminating face oil. So this face oil, where are we? Oh, it's from Wonder Beauty. How did I miss that? Oh, at the top. Sorry. So it's from Wonder Beauty and it retails at $42. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. So I'll wear this and it's better than Botox. Yeah. For $42. It's not bad. Then we got Big Ego from Tarte. Oh, this is a nice mascara. So we got the before picture. Oh, wait, at the bottom. Before picture and after. Apparently, Big Ego retails at 23 US. And it's a ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flatter for up to 16 hours. And it's in black. That doesn't want to open. Oh, it only lasts 6 months. I can't open this. I just opened a mascara. I can't open another and then not use it. Then we have Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. So these retail to $14.99. It's Instagram false eyelashes. Ooh, look at the packaging. It's just to die for. Instagram. Oh, they retail for $14.99. I said that. Sorry. Elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan lashes made from premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension, natural looking length and volume. So we have the Black Bra event. So by the time this is posted, we would have gone to the Black Bra event, and just in case, I'm wearing these. They look so nice, so natural, see? Not that thick overload. I know my lashes look false. These are my lashes. It's just a wonderful mascara from, geez, who am I wearing? Oh, Avon. It's Avon's Big False Lashes. No. Anyway, this retails 15. Let's do the, oh, it's not the last. Literally Pink Barbie. I think this is just too cute. So this is from Per, the Complexion Authority Pink Glitter Mask, created in a celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie. Is packed with licorice extract. Oh, it's sealed. And it retails for 26 US. So, and then last but not least, Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresher Powder. Oh, wrong side. There we go. So this is Becca. Weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this water creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. 39 US. I keep on looking at the screen, sorry. 39 US. Now I want to see, because it's quite heavy, how... Oh, it's a mist and a powder, but there's only a powder in here. I don't get it. Weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for silky, smooth and visible, formulated with 50% water. Okay. Well, let's test that. 50% water in a powder. I sound like an idiot. Anyway, so to recap, we got the Becca Waterless Hydro Mist and Refresh Powder. We got the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, Big Ego from Tarte, Glitterati with Barbie, the 60th anniversary mask, and then we have my Black Bra Event lashes. Okay, making it 5. I think that's well worth the August box. Cute. Ta-da! Hey? Okay, then we're moving on to September. September's Boxycharm. Let's get this going. Oh, it's totally stuck. Well, this is not working. It's totally torn apart. Well, let's do what we can. So this month is all access. Let's turn it around, and it's, see a palette, I just see. Well, this is damaged a little. This is Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask from Dr. Brand. They retail quite high usually. Yeah, 52. So this mask balances the skin's natural occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and smooth the signs of irritation. Sorry for the cat, she decided to join. Then we have brushes. Moda Pro, I don't know them, 5-piece brush set. Moda to the next level. This line features a superior quality filament and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create an endless on-trend eye look. This retails for $27.95. Let's open this up. I love brushes. Chuck that there. Shh. Oh, they're very soft. So we got a blender, a brow or liner brush, and these are all to apply eyeshadow. I love them. Oh, and the rugged, see the rugged texture, sorry. You'll see. Oh, and they actually have the names on them. The line brush, the smudger, the cream. I like that. Let's put you guys back before I muck you up too. Okay, then we have, here's something. Oh, gotcha. Then we have a brow pen, a microblade effect brow pen from $1 Billion Brows. So this pen retails for $18. The brow, there we go. I had to replace the card. There was a glitch in the system. Anyways, so we had the brushes. We have a microblade effect brow pen. Hope you can see that. Let me just, there we go. Can we focus? There we go. It's got fine little edges. So this retails, oh, I'll put everything over. The brow pen retails at 18 US. That's not bad for something. Well, it depends on the quality you get out of it. And it's, I see it's brown, so let's see. Then we have Mark & Henry, a Mark & Henry Slick with H. liquid eyeliner. Ooh, it sounds funky. Where's Mark and Henry now? So this retails at $20 US. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those hooded eyelids. Ooh. Well, we'll be testing that, won't we, Mark and Henry? Then, sorry, I mucked everything out here. Then we have a palette. Sorry, I was busy. I had it open halfway through while chucking it out. Get Looks Clay Play. So it actually tells you how to get that eye. But I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in this. It's so heavy. It is awesome. I love the colors. I hope we get these colors. Ooh. Yes, we do. But it's a little damaged. Can we do like that so that it doesn't capture? And I think it's not going to give it justice. So let's do that. Is that just not the best? I love it. All neutral colors. I love it. Oh damn, now I don't know how to put it back together again. Almost like Humpty Dumpty. But anyways, so I like this. This palette is the Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. An all-in-one palette featuring 12 Amazonian clay powder shades that play with light and shadow. The creamy microfine powder is infused with Amazonian clay, which offers rich payoff that blends to a natural, long-wearing finish without clear creasing, caking or flaking. It's the perfect multitasking, all-in-one beauty wardrobe whether you're feeling low-key or high-key. So this is from Tarte and it retails at $45 US. I keep on looking at the monitor. I am so sorry. I love this. I should say this one was actually well worth the 25. I think we got more than the 25. Way more, of course. Oh damn, now I can't close the box. I like my things. So we got the Dr. Brandt, we got the 2 pins, the brow and the eyeliner, and then we got the brushes. So we got the brushes and the palette. All of this for $25 US. All of these are quality products. I think Boxycharm outdid themselves this round. I love it. I absolutely love it. This was the all access September box for Boxycharm. There we go. All 3 boxes down. Now let's get on to the rest. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. And hope to see you soon. Bye.